Well, today we gathered to mourn the loss of
my cousin.
Your cousin?
Yeah.
He wasn't a very nice man, was he?
No. I'm kind of sad to have to bury him, but at least I have room in my backyard. The hole that we used.
Right, we already have a hole, so that's perfect. Let's just start throwing bodies in there. It's nice. Yeah. Boy.
Thanks for being the hearse driver.
No
today.
problem. We're going in style. This is about the best hearse you could possibly buy. Cadillac Fleetwood with the LT1.
Oh, yeah.
Corvette motor?
I can't believe you're still worried about cars when we just went to a funeral.
Well, like I said, he wasn't a nice man.
You're right.
He never looked me in the eye. He always had something mean to say. Always something, you know, he's kind of a drunk.
He kind of is where he belongs, probably.
Yeah, he should be dead. You killed him, didn't you?
No, the wizard didn't do it. Not the wizard's fault.
Not the wizard's fault.
No,
yes.
I didn't kill him.
Well, yeah. Is it the cheapest hearse in the USA?
It probably is.
Cool. Well, I know the air conditioning doesn't work. That's why the wind's going.
Yeah. It's got some play, doesn't it?
Definitely has some play. I've had a few of these, and they are kind of land yachts, but not this much.
Well, let's make sure we don't end up in the hearse ourselves.
Right, yeah. We'll get back in the shop and get this thing on the lift, huh?
Yeah, let's check it out.
All right. I mean, you wouldn't want to... Oh, yeah, the turning radius, not the greatest.
The turning radius of a hearse is not very good.
Nor is the rear visibility. There's curtains. I can't see.
There's curtains for you.
No. Oh, yeah. But it still rides really nice.
It does.
Definitely will not wake the dead with this thing.
No.
$400 bodies, eh?
400 bodies to their destination.
Yeah.
Their final resting place.
170,000 divided by 400. That's a lot of miles per body.
Maybe they've been doing other things with this car.
Yeah. Okay, turning radius. Bumping the...
Don't hit your
little bitty Fiat.
Your little Fiat.
And I have no idea what's behind me. It's probably Ferrari, Lotus, whatever.
This isn't going to be fun.
No, it's not. Okay. 50 point. All right, I'm gonna go. Now I'm gonna straighten right about now. All right, good luck getting this thing on the lift.
Yeah.
Sounds like it has a little exhaust leak.
I think it does. I'll probably have to straighten it up here. That's okay.
Oh.
It's close. Pretty close.
I did pretty good.
Yeah, you did. I'll just shift it over a little bit.
I'm gonna go take a nap in the back while you're shifting.
Okay. You ready to lift this thing up and take a look at it with me? Are you actually sleeping in this thing?
It's very relaxing, but their voices telling me to do things. To
Like
buy cars, but that's always in my head.
We'll get this thing on the lift and check it out.
I thought I could communicate with the dead, but I don't have that, unfortunately.
You don't have that sixth sense?
No.
You don't see dead people?
But... Nice. It's relaxing.
It's quiet in there, isn't it?
Very quiet. Yeah, this thing's longer than the Rolls Royce.
It definitely is. Well, it does have to carry a casket, I guess. Hopefully I can lift this big old thing.
Yeah, this is the limits here. What's the winch capacity?
7,000. I think I can lift it.
7,000.
Pretty sure it can.
Pretty close. Smells like oil leaks, Wizard.
It does. You ready to check this thing out, Hoovie?
Yeah, it's nice to do a Wizard assessment on a car that's not mine. I'm not emotionally invested where I have to worry about spending thousands.
I have never looked underneath a hearse before. I guess it's just a car after all.
This is one oily LT1.
It's got a front main seal leaking there.
Yeah.
The steering stabilizer looks like it's bad. That's probably what the steering feeling was that you were having.
Right.
The looseness.
Yeah.
It's got new brake pads on it.
Good. More oil back here.
Looks like the gaskets on the oil cooler lines are leaking. Not a huge deal.
No, it's good rust proofing.
And it's spraying kind of back here.
Yeah.
What the hell's that? There's a... What is that? Is that blood?
Well, taste it. You taste everything.
Oh, it is.
It's blood?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Is that my cousin's blood?
How do you know what blood tastes like, first of all?
Well, I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go into that. It feels like blood.
It feels like blood. I'm not going to. I don't know what blood tastes like you.
Why is it coming out of the car? You were just in there. There was nobody in there.
I wasn't driving it hard. I don't know if I knocked him over. I don't. Did he get a puncture? Normally, you drain all that stuff out before you bury people.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, I don't understand what's going on here. What was that? Did you hear that?
Yeah, I was just back there.
Somebody said help. This is getting weird.
I'm out.
You're out?
I'm out. I got blood on me.
What in the... I think we'll just lower... We're done for here. We're going to lower this thing down. I'm not... This is weird. This is really weird.
Off.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know where the blood came from.
And it got on my face, too.
It did.
It's like it's initiated me into a gang. I've murdered someone. It won't come off.
Well, let's finish this up. I guess as weird as it is, it's...
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
The guy wants us to check the engine out.
Normally I'm scared because of the bill, but right now I'm just scared.
Just scared in general. This is the LT1.
Very nice.
That was the one you were talking about, the purple Cadillac you had.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
What was the story behind that again?
So in 1993 they had a normal 305 or 350 in here, and they weren't making them anymore.
Yeah.
But there was 3 years left of production of this platform. They're like, well, what engine can we put in here? And it turned out to be the LT1, kind of a detuned version of what you'd find in the Corvette or the Trans Am or the Camaro, and it packs a lot of punch. It's
definitely
great.
moves the hearse along pretty good.
And lots of room in here. See, I can put one foot down in between the bumper, and then I can reach down and I can touch the ground.
Do yoga poses.
Right here, yeah.
Do yoga in there.
Just a full giant crumple. It's just a giant car. You could probably work on it like this, you know, just sit and straddle it and turn a wrench, you know. It's nice.
Makes it nice and easy and comfortable.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Is that noise again?
Hell no. Hell no.
It looks like there's more blood coming out.
Yeah.
Let's go open the back door and see.
It's like a squirrel stuck inside of this thing or whatever.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
I've seen a blue flash in there. Why is the smoke coming out of it?
Is it doing the Ferrari 355 thing?
I can see somebody's feet right there.
No.
Yeah.
You're kidding me.
Look, there's some guy's boots in there.
Your cousin, right?
We were just in there. There was nobody in there, right?
No. No.
Okay, this is getting really, really weird.
Mm-hmm.
Should we open it and see what's inside?
Okay. Is somebody token up in there? Dazed and confused?
He wasn't here a minute ago.
Cheech? Chong, is that you?
Hello? Somebody there?
Cheech? Chong? What the hell?
Holy shit!
Hell no! Hell no! Hell no!
Just stay away from me.
Oh, wait, they got...
My cousin came back from the dead.
It's Junior, man.
Oh.
What were you smoking in there? You're a young man. Vaping is very dangerous for your health.
A lot of people have died doing that.
I'm hoping it's vaping.
Good job.
You're real scary.
Obviously, there wasn't really a person in there, and I want to wish you guys a happy Halloween. This is our Halloween special, and we checked over a hearse, and we got the bejesus scared out of us at the same time.
So it's like a Simpsons Halloween special, except nobody dies?
Except nobody dies.
It's great.
So, if there's any tools that you guys have seen that I use, check my Amazon affiliates page. If you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed the little episode here. It's kind of a little comedy episode, and you got to check out a hearse at the same time with Hoovie.
Do you sell underwear in your Amazon affiliates page?
We can add that.
Because I need some.
You need some underwear?
Yeah, thank you.
You need some bleach to clean the blood?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a happy Halloween.
I've had so many of these. On the reality show, I bought that purple Fleetwood sedan.
Yeah.
My favorite of this iteration was the Buick Roadmaster. It's a big wood paneled estate wagon. Oh, I believe they call these the GMB bodies. They built them in Texas.
Yeah.
It's great.
It had the same motor as this one, too.
Same motors, yeah, that perimeter frame. This is the best Cadillac I think they ever made as far as the best evolvement of the old school Cadillac, the way things used to be built.
Right.
I would not mind being hauled to my final resting place in this.
In the old Cadillac.
Although I would want to be buried in one of my cars, I think. I'd like to be that guy.
You want to be buried in one of your cars?
Yeah, I don't want my kids to have it. I don't want it to pass it down to generations. I want to take it with me. Bury me with all the jewels. And
bury you in the rolls.
And just make it a legend. Legend is there's a guy in his Rolls Royce buried up in them hills. And
right.
If you can find it, then you can have it.
Well, I'll be happy to drive it to the cemetery for you. I'm just not going to join you in the burial of it.
You're saying that you're going to outlive me?
It's possible. If I'm still around, I'm saying.
I see. Okay. I don't know. With all the fluids you eat and drink just for fun,
you're right.
I don't think that's a...
You may have to take me to the cemetery in your Rolls.
You really need to stop drinking Coolant, Wizard. It's not good for you.
I guess you can just push me out of the Rolls.
That's exactly.
Push the suicide door button. And